Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in front of you right now Canon MF643Cdw printer. I'm going to teach you today how to connect this machine with the Wi-Fi router. Okay, so you will be able to print the documents or pictures from your smart devices that will be connected with your Wi-Fi. Okay, here we go. We'll take you on the screen now. Okay, here the screen. You have to press menu button. Okay, and then first option preferences. In the preferences you will find network setting. Go to network and step by step you will see the first one, select wired or wireless LAN. You have to select here wireless LAN, and the direct connection setting should be off. Okay, then if you find these two options like this, then you have to press on wireless LAN settings. Okay, and then SSID settings. That's okay. It's asking that select access point or enter manually. We will select access point around our machine. It will search automatically around the network. So this is our network, first one, metaverse. Select it and press next. Proceeding to screen to enter the access point network key. Okay, press OK. Now it's asking our network key. I will enter my network key, that 1234 1234 1234 1234. Press apply. Is it okay to connect with new setting? Press yes. Now it's connecting. Okay, it's connected now. Press home button. Now this machine is connected with our Wi-Fi router. I will go straight away to my network setting, and my mobile phone is also connected with metaverse. So what to do now? Open any picture or document. For example, if I have this picture, I will click on my iPhone here on this icon. Scroll up and will find the print. In Samsung or Android devices, you will find the three dots on the top left side. You will find the print option over there. Click on print, and it's showing that no printer selected. Click on the printer and you will find here MX642C. Okay, gathering printer information. Okay, everything looks fine. Just click on print and you will get a print. In a while I give the command, it will execute now, but it's showing that connecting, wait a moment. Printer is initializing the toner, so might be it will take a bit time. So just hold on, let it correct the colors, and then it will print the document that we just gave the command. Okay, it's showing that printing photo. You can see it's printed the document that we gave the command just a while ago. Okay, this is the method to connect with access point. Very easy. If you have any question regarding wireless connection setup, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.